Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we'll be making shrimp and zucchini tostadas with a rice and vegetable medley. So the first thing we're going to work on is our rice and vegetable medley, and while we've got all this working on the stove, we have our oven preheated to 475, and we're going to throw our tortillas in with a little bit of oil and cheese sprinkled on top just for about 3 to 5 minutes at the end here, just to warm them up before we plate and serve. So we have some oil heating up over here. We're going to go in with our onion. We have some carrots and some red bell pepper as well. I'm going to season this with a little pinch of salt and some fresh cracked black pepper. We're going to saute this just until these start to become tender, and then we're going to add our broth. We're going to bring that to a boil, and then we will add our rice and peas and cook those. We also have a skillet heating up over medium heat with a little bit of oil in it to saute our zucchini, a little bit of garlic, and that's what our shrimp will go in. Okay, so now we're ready to add our broth. So we have our low sodium, low fat chicken broth. You want a decent amount here. Cover your vegetables. Then we're going to add our rice and our peas, maybe a little bit more of our stock. Okay, now we're going to bring the heat up a little bit and we're going to let this come to a boil, and then we'll reduce it to a simmer. We're going to let that go until it comes up to a boil. Now in the meantime, while that's going, we can begin to saute our zucchini. You don't want to do too many because you don't want to overcrowd the pan. A couple more here. Okay, we got a little bit of garlic. Going to go in with it as well. My pan's just a touch dry, so I am going to sprinkle a little bit of oil on this side. A little seasoning. Okay, now we're going to let those go for a few minutes until they get a little bit of color on them. And then we'll add our shrimp in. Once our shrimp are done, all we have to wait for is our rice. As simple as that. All right, so we're ready to begin adding our shrimp. And again, you don't want to overcrowd the pan, so we're just going to do a few at a time here. Okay. Seasoning for those. Alright, we're going to give our shrimp a little turn. Kind of toss your zucchini a little bit. Alright, my zucchini is where I want it, so I'm going to go ahead and pull it out while the shrimp finish. Shrimp just need a couple more minutes here. Alright, so we're going to pop our tortillas that have been brushed with a little bit of oil and sprinkled with some cheese in the oven at 475 for just about 3 minutes, so you really want to watch these close, just until the cheese melts. Our rice and our vegetables are just about there, so I'm going to turn the heat off. Carryover cooking will do the rest. Looks great with all the colors, the green peas and the red peppers, the orange carrots. Got our onions in there, our rice, our shrimp are opaque. That means they are done. So we can kill the heat. We'll plate this up and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.